Discover this cozy, newer constructed home that offers modern living in North New Braunfels, Texas. The stone and brick front exterior warmly invites you inside. Come along with me and let me show you around. The bright living room features an abundance of natural lighting. Relax comfortably in this spacious central living area. Feel the flow with the open layout connecting every space. Enjoy dining at the table for dinner, or sit at the island bar for a quick breakfast. Stylish pendant lights hang above, creating an upscale designer quality. The beautiful granite countertops and spacious cabinetry complements the white subway tile backsplash and black accents. Enjoy cooking delicious meals in this pristine chef's kitchen. One of the 2 secondary bedrooms offers your children or guest the perfect retreat. The second bathroom features a clean, spacious vanity and a classic tiled shower bathtub. The master suite boasts large bay windows that allows a flood of natural light. Step through double doors into your private ensuite bath oasis. The double vanity provides plenty of space for morning and evening routines. The spacious glass shower adds a clean, modern touch. Savor beautiful Texas evenings on this delightful covered patio. Contact Allison McLaughlin today to schedule your exclusive tour.